girls were being princesses.
Well, we were doing to do that at the time.
Oh.
And I tried to be upside down.
Oh, very nice hair, Rihanna. That's very pretty.
I have to put it around.
Very pretty, Ree. Becky May, are you doing your hair too?
Yep. Mine is just like Cinderella.
Just like Cinderella?
With no any color.
Oh, some lipstick. And Mav's playing with the lights. Mav, leave them alone. Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa?
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, what about this?